Car PPF Common Myths. Ever heard people whispering about paint protection films, PPF, like they're some mystical car armor? Well, let's clear the air and get real about what's fact and what's just a bit of fiction. Myth 1. PPF makes your car invisible. Wishful thinking, but nope. PPF is fantastic, but it won't turn your car invisible. It's like a shield, not a cloak of invisibility. Your car will still be there, shining bright. Myth 2. Applying PPF takes forever. Guess what? Not true. Getting PPF applied is quicker than binge watching your favorite show. Pros do it efficiently, and there are even some easy to apply DIY kits if you're feeling adventurous. Myth 3. PPF makes your car look like a plastic wrap. PPF isn't here to turn your sleek ride into a clingy mess. Modern films are nearly invisible, preserving your car's good looks without the plastic wrap vibe. Myth 4. PPF only protects against rocks and nothing else. Hold on. PPF isn't a one-trick pony. It's your car's superhero against scratches, bird droppings, and bugs too. Rocks are just the tip of the protection iceberg. Myth 5. Removing PPF damages your paint. False alarm. Removing PPF is like peeling off a sticker, but way less annoying. It won't ruin your paint job. Instead, it leaves your car looking as fabulous as ever. Myth 6. PPF is high maintenance. Not even close. PPF is low-key. Just treat your car normally, give it a wash, and your PPF will happily keep doing its thing. No fancy rituals required. Myth 7. PPF darkens your car's color. No way. PPF won't mess with your car's original color. If anything, it enhances the gloss, making it look like it just rolled out of the showroom. In a nutshell, PPF, real superhero, no capes required. Let's debunk these myths and celebrate PPF for what it is, a reliable sidekick for your car. No magic, just science, keeping your ride looking sleek and protected. So, drive on without the myths holding you back.